Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this lecture, we will take a look on the relational model, part 4. This is the lesson objective. We will take a look on relation, view, updating view, and purpose of view. We have a base relation named student. It contains all data for students in UiTM Malacca. Base relation is a name relation corresponding to an entity in conceptual schema whose tuples are physically stored in database. Let's say you are a lecturer in UiTM Jasin. Of course, you can only view students from campus Jasin instead of all students in UiTM Malacca. View is a dynamic result of one or more relational operations operating on base relation to produce another relation. View. As we learned from previous lecture, view is a subset of database. It is a virtual relation that does not necessarily actually exist in the database, but is produced upon request at time of request. The contents of a view are defined as a query on one or more base relation. Views are dynamic, meaning that changes made to base relation that affect view attributes are immediately reflected in the view. View. The first one, it provides powerful and flexible security mechanism by hiding parts of database from certain users. Not all users can see all the data inside database. Second one, it permits users to access data in customized way so that same data can be seen by different users in different way at the same time. The third one, it can simplify complex operation on base relation. Let's take a look on updating views. All updates to a base relation should be immediately reflected in all views that reference that base relation. For example, if you update the student base relation, it should be immediately changed in the view of Jasin campus. If view is updated, underlying base relation should also reflect the change. However, there are modification restrictions if we want to update the view. The first one is, updates are allowed if query involves a single base relation and contains a candidate key of base relation. The second one, updates are not allowed involving multiple base relation. The third one, updates on view are not allowed involving aggregation or grouping operation. We have few classes of view. The classes of views are defined as theoretically not updatable, theoretically updatable, and the last one, partially updatable. Since this is just a view, it is better to have theoretically not updatable. So that's all for now. See you again in the next chapter. Thank you.